Hi, everybody. All right, I'm not really sure if this will work, but we'll give it a shot. I want to show you how to use GoReact to do this assignment that I've called Mock School Board Presentation. So I want to tell you the school board presentation is something that I think every citizen should know about, especially if you're a parent of a youngster in a school district, if you're a teacher in the school district. It's your opportunity to speak to the board in a public forum and give your input on any variety of issues. So what I intend for this assignment to be is for you to take that issue of education you've already kind of signed up for and develop a 2-minute argument that you would present to the school board. Now, if your issue in education that you've chosen isn't one that you think your school board could deal with or approach, then you're free to choose any issue that's dear to you. For instance, the COVID-19 crisis might be something that you'd want to testify to right now. So in my school district, they usually have comment periods of 2 or 3 minutes. I think most of the time it's 3 minutes, but I wanted to keep this a little shorter to make it easier for you to do and to finish a screencast. Okay, so plan for a 2-minute presentation. In our school board, there's a little timer that goes off after the end of the timing period and go beep, and basically you have to stop mid-sentence if you haven't practiced well enough. So here's what I want you to do first. I want you to write down your thoughts, okay? So I've got my thoughts right here. I can show you. So I wrote up some comments about a school board issue about homework, okay? So you write that up. Practice in front of a mirror. See if it works out to be 2 minutes, plus or minus a few seconds. If it doesn't, then revise it a little bit. You might have to, take some of your stuff off. So practice it and practice it and practice it again until you've got it pretty solidly at the right time. Okay? Then I want you to put this in our GoReact assignment, and so record it, put it in GoReact, and comment on others' videos. And I'm going to try to do all of this in this video. I hope I can do it in a reasonable amount of time so it doesn't end up watching me mess up on the computers, which we'll see. Okay, so first, most of you have already signed up for GoReact. Great on you. If you haven't already, take that link from previous week's folder and make sure you do that. Okay, so sign into GoReact. Now, let's go ahead and start the assignment as if I were you. Okay, so I'm going to go to GoReact. And I hope we don't waste too much time logging in and things like that so that you can just see. Okay, it appears to be running a little slowly today, but I guess you would expect that, trying to do all this at once. Okay, so here's the login. You've already signed up an account. You have your name and password, so you simply log in. Now, if you have more than one class that you've been asked to do in GoReact, you're going to have to make sure that you're in the right course. So that's over here in the upper left corner. If you pull down on courses, you can see that I'm a student in 2 different courses, Ed 415 and Ed 471. So of course, you all are going to choose the Ed 415. Okay? So when you do that, you're going to come into this page and you're going to see that, well, here's the assignment. The assignment is to make a mock school board presentation, and here's the button where you hit to start the assignment. So it's that easy. Now you're going to record it in GoReact. You don't have to. You could use your cell phone. Okay, so if you use your cell phone, get the GoReact app. And if you get the GoReact app, just like that, you can log in and the phone will ask you what class, and you enter the class, and boom, you're there, and you can record on your phone. You might need a tripod or something like this to do that, but that's the way that would work. And so you just put this in, and you could record yourself on your phone. You could also get one of these cameras, okay? And on this tripod, these cameras will work fine with that too. But I'm going to use the GoReact app attached right here to my computer to make it upload more seamlessly. So I start the assignment. I'm going to give it my name, and the presentation. Okay, and then now here's the difference. If I were to have recorded it on the phone, I'm going to have to upload it, and the same if I had recorded it on a camera, I would have to upload it. Or if I recorded it in a different app, like a non-GoReact, like if I were to do QuickTime on my Apple computer, I would have to upload it. And uploading is fairly seamless too. It might take you a little time to get that thing to spin. Okay, so I'm going to record right here. And you'll see the GoReact asks me to get ready, check my camera, check my microphone. And then I would continue. And it looks like it's bogging down right here, so a little bit of a time crunch that's happening. Let me pause it and see if I pause my video, if I can wait for this